I performed in our year 2 Christmas production called the Bossy Christmas Fairy, and I shared the part with my best friend as the Bossy Christmas Fairy. We had to tell all of the different ornaments on the Christmas tree where to go. So we'd be like, okay, Tinsel, it's time for you to come in now. I actually didn't choose drama. I chose arts and PE. I did later choose performing arts in year 10 as a BTEC. Well, actually, during performing arts, we got to devise a piece, which was really fun. So we got to choose some different songs, and we got to choose a storyline, and I got to sing Take Me or Leave Me from Rent in it. Take me, baby, or leave me. I did drama A-level, I did musical theatre BTEC, English, and politics. I did a summer course at Youth Music Theatre UK when I was 16, and I met loads of people who were about to go to drama school and some industry professionals, and I decided then that I definitely wanted to go to drama school. I applied to Guildford School of Acting, Arts Ed, Royal Central School, and Mountview. I went to Mountview. In my third year, I got to do a musical called Dirty Rotten Scoundrels, which is a comedy musical, and I played the part of Christine Colgate. I think they saw me as a mixture of comedy musical theatre, but also they saw sort of more naturalistic acting kind of potential as well, because they give me a few small parts in things where it was a bit more serious, which was always fun. It was a 3-year course. Well, all of our year got the opportunity to perform in a theatre in London in front of loads of agents and lots of industry people, and we all got like a little bit to show ourselves off. I was in a rock medley. Oh, we did That I'll be gone when the morning comes. I was pretty anxious, to be honest. It's very daunting, and it's scary to not be in education anymore. But I'm really pleased that about the year that I've had. It's not all gone perfectly, but I wouldn't change it. So I did get an agent, yes. I would say be honest with yourself and sort of just follow your gut and your heart. But, if you love it and you enjoy it, just always remember that feeling. If you get anxious, like when you have to perform, just remember that you love it and it will see you through all of it. Legally Blonde. Oh my gosh. It's not up to me. Just let me be legally blonde.